Hello, my name is Sheila and I am back to show you our Rapido 2021 Distinction I190. Come and take a look. So this motorhome is packed full of stuff. Come on over and take a look. Firstly, we have fitted a gas low system into this motorhome, and that's the 2 bottles that it comes with as well. Now there's a ton of storage in this motorhome. So you have your standard outside storage, and then over here you have your underfloor storage, and that stretches right the way across to the other side as well. Down here you have your extremely large garage. Take a look at that. Oh my goodness. And you can actually move, this is your bed, you can actually move your bed up to give yourself more storage. Now down here you'll also see this is your outside shower point. And then come on round to the back. So here you'll see that we've fitted a 4 bike rack. Up the top is your reverse camera, and that comes factory fitted with the vehicle. Again, access to your garage on the other side. Look at the size of that. And then round here, the other side of your full length storage down here. This motorhome comes with factory fitted 16-inch alloy wheels. They're Fiat alloy wheels just down there. And it also comes with a 150 watt solar panel on the top. Let's take a look inside. So here is your dash. Now this is an automatic. It's got a 9-speed automatic gearbox built in. Here's your multimedia system along with your aircon. You also have your USB points, your 12-volt dock. Across here is your multi-functioning steering wheel with Bluetooth connection for your phone. So you'll see here you have blackout blinds, and they come across the other side and down the front up here as well, and then they simply just click back into place. So here we are in the dinette living area of the motorhome. You'll see it's got the lovely Paris upholstery, and that's a leatherette, and up here we've got the new Nacra wood finish, which really sets the vehicle off. There is a ton of storage in this motorhome, and you will see there is a ton of light and space as well. So here is your main dining area table, and of course that folds out into a full area, great for communicating with people. You have your lovely censored lights here. There you go. So above me here is your first and second berth. You'll also see tons of storage in this vehicle. They have just used every single inch of space. But here is your first double bed. And there you have it. And as simple as it went down, it just goes right back up again. So as I mentioned, there's tons of light that gets into this vehicle, one of which is your huge skylight in the centre of your dinette area. Along with this, we've added a 32-inch TV to this van. Now this is the factory fitted TV bracket to keep it secure. You simply just pull this down and that unlocks it. And there you have your TV. Now it's just as simple again to just fold it back up, secure it into place, and you're ready to hit the road just like that. So this is your main kitchen area of the motorhome. Of course, you have your 3 gas hobs, your sink. So here you have your kitchen storage drawers. Now Rapido has a great feature where it locks your drawers in place so that if you're traveling, they won't open up. So you just hit that button and there we go. How huge are these drawers? Of course they have the soft close as well, so no banging. And that's that. So when you're ready to go again, you just hit your button and that's them locked in place again. Now here is a great feature that this kitchen has, and that is your spice rack and wine holder. Look at the length of that. Of course, your wine down the bottom, and then that just slides right back in, secure in place. So here you have your combined oven and grill, your separate fridge and freezer. Now you have a ton of space in these, and the great thing about this fridge freezer is it is one of the new shapes where you have your open on that side and you're open on the other side as well. So it doesn't matter if you're hungry, you can get into it. Come on, take a look down here. So here is your master suite. Now, I've mentioned this throughout the video, but Rapido is great for adding in tons of storage, and that follows through into the master bedroom. You'll see just in here, now, as well as that, you'll see your bed is actually folded up, and that's to give you a bit more leg room whenever you're not using it itself. But you can extend it through pulling this handle. It's just a twist, and down it goes, just like that. And then again, just twist. And as simple as that, it goes back up. So, of course, it wouldn't be a Thompson tour unless I was laying on a bed somewhere. Here you have your Comfort Boltex factory fitted bed for Rapido, specially designed. Of course, this comes with a second layer, you'll see underneath here, for extra comfort. You'll see you've got tons of storage again on this side, tons in here for your wardrobe. Now, you'll see down here, this is your Elddis heating system, and that's what this motorhome comes with. If you're getting chilly in the middle of the night, you can just crank up the heat and you're good to go from the bed. Now, of course, your master bedroom also comes with HDMI ready sockets for a TV to be installed as well. So here is your bathroom, and of course more storage. You have your sliding shelf to access more on this end. You have storage behind the mirror. This also comes with a radiator for your towels, so when you're finished in the shower, they're nice and warm for you. So there we have it, our automatic brand new Rapido 2021 Distinction I190. If you would like to know anything else about this vehicle, for example how the passenger seats are made, please drop a comment or message me directly. You can email me at marketing@thompsonleisure.com. Alternatively, you can call us on 028 9269 3999. And stay tuned for the next video. I'm going to hop into bed here. See ya!